Hey guys, Andy here. In this video I'm going to tell you which one of these models should you buy according to your budget and according to what you need. If you like the brand Samsung, if you like having a smaller one remote which also can be charged via solar panel or via USB Type-C, and if you prefer much lower amount of blooming, then buy the Samsung. For everything else, the TCL is a much better option for almost every user around the world. Why? Well, it has a Google TV as OS. It has an amount of brightness very similar compared to the Samsung. The image processor, it does really good job in terms of image upscaling. In fact, the image upscaling of both TVs is really similar. Just remember that not currently 4K TV will show you a 4K image if the resolution of the content is really low. Other thing to keep in mind is the audio system of the TCL is a little bit more better compared to the Samsung in terms of bass and the surround experience. Not that the audio system of the Samsung is terrible, but because I must say that it's really good. Keeping in mind that we're talking about Samsung, which currently is not the brand who highlight by having powerful smart TVs with powerful audio systems. It's really decent for a medium-sized living room, for example. But if you want more bass and a little bit more surround experience, then go for the TCL. Talking about the dark scenes performance, both TVs perform really good and they both have UV panels with a mini LED backlight technology. The dimming zones on the TCL are higher, but it tends to show a little bit more blooming compared to the Samsung, but the level of details is better on the TCL. The Samsung has an amount of blooming near to zero, but the level of details is lower compared to the TCL. In terms of gaming, both TVs support 120 Hz in 4K, but the TCL have the advantage that also supports 144 Hz in 4K too in one of its HDMI 2.1 ports. Both TVs support variable refresh rates technologies, G-Sync, FreeSync Premium Pro. The performance in terms of gaming, in motion and input lag is really good. And if you ask me which one of these models I prefer, I will go for the Samsung. I like this brand. I prefer a smaller and more economic one remote. I like the Tizen OS and I prefer having much less blooming in dark scenes, even if the level of details is lower compared to the TCL. But objectively, as I said, the TCL is a much better option for almost every user around the world. Plus it has a lower price compared to the Samsung, almost $200 cheaper, and that's an advantage. And at least here in Colombia it has 1 extra year of warranty compared to the Samsung. But please let me know at the comment section down below which one of these models you prefer, the Samsung or the TCL, and why. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next time.